Hello, good morning guys. Good day. Welcome back to my channel, Arts Engineering. For today's tutorial, I will be showing the updated version of our tools para uh, free sa members natin from level 2 and up. So without further ado, let's open the tools. So ito na yung bagong interface ng tools natin. Then, ito yung bago natin. So before that, open muna natin yung mga tools previously na nagawa natin. Ito. Then yung design ng concrete beam. And of course, the latest is the loadings sa wall. So specifically sa surface load. Converting the weight of the wall into surface load para ma-apply natin sa structure natin. As you can see, may length, width, and thickness of the wall, and of course the length and width ng slab natin, which is saan iloload yung CHP natin. Then we have here the input data, yung unit weight ng kung CHP man yan or blockwork. So it's up to you kung anong value ng unit weight na yan. Then the length, the width, the height of the wall, and the thickness, and also the width of the and length of the slab. Then after that, makikita natin yung calculation at the bottom para ma-breakdown natin kung paano yan na-derive. So kapag i-calculate ninyo yan, ma-update yung calculation natin. And upon changing yung sa input data natin, automatically may change din yung mga data natin. So, left side sa my figure. See, then after we change the input data, click lang natin yung calculate. Then automatically, ma-update yung calculation natin. So, for this example, yung surface load na i-apply natin sa slab is 7.47 kPa. So, may tayo. First, mag-sample tayo rito. Okay. So, punta ako doon sa isang floor. So, ito na lang. Dito ko siya i-apply. Pag mayroong wall dyan, as you can see in the figure here, ibig sabihin nandyan siya sa loob ng wall ng slab. So, pwede ninyo yan i-load, mag-apply ng dummy beam para mag-load kayo ng linear load o uniform load. Pero yung ginagawa ko, kino-convert ko na lang siya as surface load. Ang importante dyan kasi matransfer yung load, actual load ng CHP ninyo or the walls. So, for this, ito yung i-apply ko. Kung ganito yung properties ng wall mo, no? So, that is 7.47 kPa. So, i-apply ko na lang yan. Click ko. Apply shell load, uniform, then SDL. Ito is 7.47. 7.47. So, ito yung application. Ito na yung load. Kapag i-right click ko yan, ito yan, 7.47. Okay. Or pwede rin para mas conservative, isang load na lang. Kung malaki naman yung budget ninyo. Lahat ng floors na may CHB, apply na lang ninyo. Yan. Pero kapag gusto niyo na specified yung load na yan, yan. So, malaking gamit to sa application ng load. And conversion, para hindi na kayo mag-manual. Although simple calculation lang to, at least hindi na kayo mag-manual calculation. Okay. Then, for the next apps natin is yung, of course, converting the wall load into linear load. Okay? Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos in my YouTube channel, Ars Engineering. Thank you and God bless.